In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily ban someone's Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just go to someone's profile we would like to ban. Let it to be that user or that one. And once we are at someone's profile, all we have to do in order to ban or block that user is just tap at these three dots and then tap at block. And when you tap at block, that account wouldn't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. Also, they won't be notified that you blocked them, and in any time you can unblock them from settings. To block that user, tap at block. That's how you can easily block or ban someone's Instagram account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.